Hello everyone, welcome back to Stitch and Kai Creations. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to sew the front panel of a luxury crossbody bag with a clean and professional finish. If you want your bags to look neat and high-end, stay with me and follow each step carefully. So this is the fashion leather material to make the crossbody bag. It is light and not too thick leather, and the measurement is 9 inches wide by 7.5 inches length. To curve the edges, you can use anything curvable, maybe like cover of something or maybe the bottom of wool case. Just use anything that you know that can give it a round shape. I'll trim out the edges of the bag now. So I've also done that to the rest of the edges. I'll be adding extra front pockets to the bag. And from the top to that line, I measure 2.3 inches, then I roll it out. Now I will cut it into two from the line of 2.3 inches. I cut out the two zipper stopper and also the zipper I'll be using. The length of the zipper is supposed to be 9 inches, but I cut out 7 inches because I'll be adding zipper stopper to it as a design for the front of the bag. And the measurement I cut out is 2 by 2 inches, then I cut out lining for the two. Then I cut out lining for these two. Now I'll be adding the zipper stopper to the zipper. Make sure you always insert your zipper mouth to the zipper first. I'll place the zipper stopper on the zipper and also the lining at the back side. Then place it under the machine and stitch it. Now I will turn it over for top stitching. And that is how to top stitch. Very neat. Now I'll be stitching the two sides and the bottom together. See the way I use my hand to trace it, that is how you are going to sew it too. Now I'll be trimming excess that remain at the mouth. So that is how to add zipper stopper to the zipper. You can see the way it looks like, beautiful and neat. The same to the second side. And this is it after adding the second zipper stopper to it. Now I'll fold it together, make sure it rhymes with each other, then notch out the midpoint of both sides. Take the top, I'll fold it into two and notch out the midpoint. I'll place the zipper on the top of this midpoint to midpoint and start stitching it. I will stitch it from the top to complete the stitching. Then I'll place the lining on the zipper and stitch it down with it. Then after that, I will turn the lining to the back side for top stitching. And that is how to do it. Now I will repeat the same process to the other one. You can see I've also sewed the second one on it that make the front of the bag complete. Now I will stitch it round together with the lining. Then trim out the excess lining that remain at the mouth. And this is the front of the bag. You can see the way it look like, very neat. And we have come to the end of this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you like and share. Subscribe to Stitch and Carry Creation for more professional bag making tutorials. Keep practicing and I will see you in the next tutorial.